Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys the top 10 uh, widgets that you should go and download right now for your iPhone. So let's get started. So of course I use widgets a lot, and of course the first widget is a weather widget called Overdrop. So Overdrop is a fantastic app, of course. If you haven't heard about this app, it's first started on Android, and now they're on iOS. And yeah, it's just a simple widget that shows you the weather. Of course, they have an app that you could go into much more detail, of course, whenever you need to see much more detailed information about the weather. But yes, having a weather widget is really important. And Overdrop is my recommendation for you guys to go and download this weather widget. Next, we have Lumi. So Lumi is a photographer's secret weapon when wanting to take some cool sunrise pics or sunset pics as well. I use Lumi a lot. I use it, of course, to see what time is the magic hour and everything, of course, because that's when you get that good lighting for the gram, and it just looks really nice. And yes, Lumi is just a fantastic app if you're into photography, and it will really help you get those nice awesome shots for the gram. Next, we have Calzones. So Calzones is a super simple app and it's really powerful, this app. But of course, I use the widget to show me the local times from certain countries. So of course, I have the local time here. Of course, here in Ottawa, Canada, and of course, I have where my dad's from, of course, to see what time my cousins are awake and everything. And then of course, Brazil, London, and Vancouver, because I'd like to know the time from those countries as well. And so yeah, I just like having it right there, and it's just a simple app that shows you the time zone, so that you could set up meetings and everything like that. And it's just a perfect way just to keep track of the time in different parts of the world in a simple, nice, beautiful way, of course. And of course, you could go into much more detail within the app where you could change the theme and everything, of course, within the app. But yeah, Calzone is my go-to app for time zones whenever I need time zones, whenever I need to know the time in a different country. Next, we have Usage. So Usage is a fantastic app that, of course, just by the name of it, you probably already know what it does. It tells you the usage of your phone. So I have the widget here set up to show me, of course, what device I'm on. So the iPhone 11, the system version, it will show you what system it is. The battery information, of course, I have it set up there, so 70%. So I can see the percentage right there, and of course how much memory I have and how much used memory I have used, of course, and CPU as well. So yeah, it's just a great app or a great widget to know some information about your device, and just to keep track of your device, of course, to see how much memory you have left, of course, and just the battery life and all that awesome information it's really important to know when taking care of your device. Next, we have Launcher. So Launcher is a fantastic widget that, of course, allows you to customize applications that you want to launch from this launcher. So how it works, pretty simple. When you open the app, of course, you get to see here you can customize what apps you want to add to the launcher, and then from there, depending on the app that you want to launch, that you want to show on the widget, of course, they'll pop up right here on the widget, and then you can quickly customize it and choose what apps you want. So you're probably wondering like why you want to download this app or this widget. And because even though there's the Siri one, of course, that comes already pre-installed in every iPhone, the Siri suggestion ones, of course, is AI based. So sometimes these are apps that Siri thinks that you want to use, but these are not applications that you really use every single day. And so that's why I like having Launcher right here, so that I could add the applications that I use every single day, and I can quickly access them from my from my lock screen, so that they can open right up. Next, we have Things. So Things is my go-to app for a lot of my reminders and to do stuff whenever I need to take a quick notes or create a list of stuff that I want to create. So as you can see, I have the widget here set up to show me what ideas I have for my next videos and all that stuff. So here you can see a lot of the stuff that I still need to do. And so yeah, it's just a fantastic app. It's really powerful. If you haven't checked out things, I highly recommend it. It's my go-to, like I said, my go-to stuff to add random stuff and ideas to things. And so yeah, I have it right here so that I could quickly access it. And of course, it's interactive. So if you need to, if you're done one, it will automatically check it off and it will delete it in the app as well. Next, we have Pedometer. So Pedometer, of course, simple app. You already know by the name. It's a pedometer. It will show you the steps. And of course, I've been going on a lot of walks recently with staying at home and self-isolation and self-distancing that they want us to do here. And so yeah, I've been going a lot of walks, maybe 1-2 hours walks every single day. So yeah, this app right now, I haven't gone for my walk, so it's only at 64 steps when inside the house here. But yeah, pretty simple app, and it's really important information, of course, to see how many steps you have. And then of course, what I like about this app is you have the achievements or the monthly challenges that you could do as well. Next, we have music match. So music match, I like to listen to a lot of music, and then sometimes I just want to sing along. Even though I'm not a good singer, I could quickly sing along from the lock screen with this widget, and it will, of course, tell me the lyrics here. I'm not playing it because I don't want to be copyrighted and everything, get a strike here on the channel. But yeah, it will show you the lyrics right there as well. And so yeah, it's just a fantastic widget to have if you want to sing along and just want to know the lyrics to a song. Next we have Steve. So Steve is a fun widget that allows you to play this dinosaur, and this is pretty much an Easter egg or a widget that reminds me, of course, of the Chrome browser when the internet is down. Of course, you could quickly just have fun and play and waste time, of course, whenever you're waiting for a bus, or you just want to have fun, of course, and just control a little dinosaur and jump over some plants. So yeah, some cactus. So yeah, it's just a fun app that I highly recommend you guys go check out if you want to pass the time and playing this fun game that you see a lot in the browser and Chrome whenever the internet's down. Next, we have PeakCal. So PeakCal is a powerful app. It's a calculator app. Now, of course, I use this calculator app almost every single week to do taxes and just do a lot of adding and all that stuff, and because I'm not really good at math. And so yeah, PeakCal has been my go-to calculator app on the iPhone instead of the default one. And yeah, it's just a great app if you need to know quick information, of course. And it's also a very powerful app. Of course, it does do scientific, all this stuff, which is really advanced for me. But of course, I just use it for the simple stuff, taxes, and just figuring out quick math whenever I need to figure out something on a calculator. So yeah, these are the top 10 most or must-have widgets that I highly recommend you guys go check out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel because that helps. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.